Germany is investing $338 million in a biotech firm to try to accelerate development of a COVID-19 vaccine. The move will give the government a 23% stake in CureVac. Authorities are hoping the funding will give the firm some financial security, but they won't be exerting any influence on its operations.
Mit dieser Beteiligung wollen wir dem Unternehmen CureVac finanzielle Sicherheit geben, damit auch weiterhin mit dem gleichen Engagement an der Entwicklung von Impfstoffproduktion gearbeitet werden kann. Für mich ist klar, dass die Entwicklung von Impfstoffen wie ganz generell von Medizinprodukten auch mit Risiken und Ausfallmöglichkeiten verbunden sein kann. Aber wir müssen jede Möglichkeit prüfen und wir müssen innovativen Unternehmen die Chance geben, sich zu beweisen. Und ich bin überzeugt, dass CureVac eine solche Chance verdient hat.
Lucy Hough joins us now from Brussels. Lucy, this is just the latest move by a government to invest in vaccine development. Tell us more.
Yes, we had a major deal struck over the weekend with the UK pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca, which struck a deal with 4 EU countries, Italy, France, Germany and the Netherlands, worth some €750 million. That's just under $850 million. This is essentially a deal that allows that company, AstraZeneca, to distribute a vaccine by the end of the year, ideally, to EU countries. So a major deal, a bit of a risk for AstraZeneca. It's working with research scientists at Oxford University. It says that it's fully aware that perhaps that vaccine may not make it through the third phase of the clinical trial, but nonetheless, this is an investment that it's willing to make, and it won't be looking to make any profit from this. But in terms of CureVac, this is a deal struck by the German government that acquires a 23% stake and will allow the German government to keep the company in-house amid fears of a foreign takeover.
And Lucy, we understand as well that there were reports that the US government was trying to acquire a stake in CureVac as well.
Yes, we understand that CureVac, a company that was got a head start in the race for the vaccine in Europe and has gone to human clinical trials this month, had attracted the interest of the Trump administration. That CureVac, which is a private company, the CEO had met President Trump, and he was interested in taking over the company and distributing any potential vaccine to the US exclusively. So this was a move taken by Berlin to essentially prevent that from happening, to prevent a foreign takeover. It was a decision that was announced on the very same day that CureVac announced that it would be looking to go to an IPO in July. So this is about ensuring that CureVac's work is owned by the German government, and that the focus of the company, as and when the vaccine is developed, that would stay within Europe and wouldn't travel overseas, where it would be distributed to the US only.
Thanks for that, Lucy Hough, speaking to us from Brussels.